Hello everybody. On this video, I will show you how to enable BitLocker on Windows 10 or Windows 11 Home Edition that not support BitLocker encryption. If you have a Home Edition of Windows 10 or Windows 11, you can't enable Microsoft BitLocker Drive encryption, as this feature is available only in Pro and other editions. Also, you will need a trusted platform module or TPM chip in order to enable BitLocker encryption in your computer. But this video will show you how to lock Drive in Windows 11 and Windows 10 Home using iBoysoft DiskGeeker app, even if there is no TPM chip in your device. Let's go. How to download and install iBoysoft DiskGeeker on Windows. Open the link from video description below. Click on Try It for Free icon to download the app. Open the zip file and navigate to App Installer. Double-click the file and select Run option to launch the installation wizard. Change the app language if you want and click on OK to continue. Check I accept the agreement option and click on Next. Click Next and then click Install to continue the installation process with default app settings. How to enable BitLocker on Windows 11 Home. Launch the iBoysoft DiskGeeker app. From BitLocker list, select Encrypt partition option. Select the desired partition and click Next. Type a strong password that contain uppercase and lowercase letters, numbers, and symbols. If the password is not strong enough or if it contains unsupported symbols, you will see a red notification text like this. So you have to correct the password first in order to proceed to the next step. Retype the same password on the second text box and then click Next. Click on Save to a File option and then navigate to an internal partition or an external USB drive, in which you want to save the BitLocker recovery key file. Click Confirm and then click Next to continue. Click Start Encrypting to start BitLocker encryption process. As you can see, the partition encrypted successfully, as indicated by the luck icon on the partition. Now, the computer will ask for BitLocker password each time you reboot your computer in order to access your files inside the locked partition. How to encrypt a USB drive in Windows 11 Home. To lock a USB or external storage with BitLocker in Windows Home, do the following. Connect the USB drive to your computer and run the iBoysoft app. Click on Encrypt partition option and then select the USB drive from the list. Follow on-screen instructions as shown in the previous part of the video. How to decrypt a USB drive with BitLocker. To unlock the USB drive with BitLocker, double-click the USB and then use the same password you used to encrypt it. You can also decrypt the USB drive with BitLocker using a recovery key that was generated by the iBoysoft app. Open the BitLocker recovery key file and then copy the recovery key. Double-click the USB drive and then click on More options. If you want to automatically unlock the USB on your PC even after rebooting, check this option. Click Enter the recovery key option. Paste the key and then click Unlock to decrypt the USB drive. Finally, if you are interested on the iBoysoft app, you can download it from the link in video description below. Thanks for watching. If you liked the video, leave a comment and subscribe.